AMP Futures versus Tradovate. Which one will win in 2026? Zero commissions. Lightning-fast execution. Professional futures trading for retail traders. That's what both AMP Futures and Tradovate promise. And in 2026, more traders than ever are trying to decide which one actually delivers and which one only sounds good on paper. Both platforms are popular, both are heavily discussed, and both claim to lower trading costs. But they approach futures trading in very different ways. I spent time digging into AMP Futures and Tradovate because when you're trading futures, small differences matter. Fees add up. Execution speed matters. Platform stability matters. And most importantly, the broker you choose can quietly affect your results without you even realizing it. Let's start with AMP Futures. AMP has been around longer and positions itself as a serious, professional futures broker. Their main selling point is access. AMP doesn't force you into a single platform. Instead, it connects you to well-known professional tools like NinjaTrader, CQG, and other institutional-grade platforms. For experienced traders, this is a big deal. You're not locked into one ecosystem, and you can choose the tools that match your trading style. AMP is also known for low per-contract commissions. There's no required monthly subscription just to trade. You pay per trade, and depending on the platform you choose, you may pay for data or connectivity. This model favors active traders who know what they're doing and want maximum control. The downside is complexity. AMP is not beginner-friendly. Setting everything up takes time, and the learning curve can be steep if you've never used professional trading software before. Now let's look at Tradovate. Tradovate was built with a very different philosophy. Instead of focusing on third-party platforms, Tradovate created its own cloud-based trading system. You can trade from a browser, desktop app, or mobile device, and everything syncs automatically. The interface is modern, clean, and much easier to understand for new traders. Tradovate's biggest marketing hook is commission-free trading. Instead of paying per contract, you pay a monthly subscription. Once you're subscribed, trades don't have traditional ticket fees. For high-volume traders, this can sound like a great deal. But for low-volume or casual traders, the math doesn't always work out. You can easily pay more in subscription fees than you would have paid in commissions elsewhere. Execution is another key difference. AMP Futures relies on established routing through professional platforms that have been stress-tested for years. This gives AMP an edge in fast markets where execution consistency matters. Tradovate's cloud-based execution is generally solid, but some traders report variability during high volatility periods. In futures trading, even small delays can matter. When it comes to tools, AMP gives you power but expects you to know how to use it. Tradovate gives you simplicity and convenience but limits customization compared to professional platforms. This is why trader experience matters so much in this comparison. What feels powerful to one trader can feel overwhelming to another. Looking at trader feedback, clear patterns emerge. AMP Futures is often praised for execution quality and flexibility, but criticized for complexity and additional platform costs. Tradovate is praised for ease of use and transparent pricing, but criticized when subscription costs outweigh savings or when performance matters most during volatile sessions. So, which one actually wins in 2026? The honest answer is that neither platform is universally better. AMP Futures is the stronger choice for experienced, active futures traders who prioritize execution speed, professional tools, and full control over their setup. Tradovate is better suited for newer traders or moderate volume traders who want a clean interface, predictable costs, and a simpler learning curve. In 2026, the real winner isn't AMP or Tradovate. It's the trader who chooses the platform that matches their strategy, experience level, and trading frequency. Choosing the wrong broker won't blow up your account overnight, but it can quietly work against you over time. If this comparison helped you understand the real differences between AMP Futures and Tradovate, save it, share it, and use it as a reference before committing real capital. In futures trading, clarity is an edge, and edges matter.